Hello, in this session we'll talk about creating a CSV file and FTPing it to the server. This is Hassan Mir from 02protraining.com. This is the table we created in the previous session, and I want to upload data from a spreadsheet or CSV file. So let's populate a spreadsheet with a dummy data. I have opened up OpenOffice spreadsheet. You can open up Excel if that is what you use. So let's populate these two columns with the data that you want to upload to the table. So let's say student 001 is taking course 001, student 001 is also taking course 002, student 002 is taking course 001, student 003 is taking course 003. Make sure you have all the zeros on the left hand side of the number. 001 is not the same thing as 1. Varchar is the data type, so that's why I'm entering full 3-digit IDs. So the single code 001 will let you enter this in the text format. If you enter 001, system will convert it into 1. So let's delete this. Now I will save this spreadsheet file, save as. I can call it student_course, and the type I will choose is CSV. When you save your work, you will get various messages in OpenOffice as well as in Microsoft Excel about the formatting, because when you save a file in CSV, you lose all the formatting that is specific to the spreadsheet software. So it doesn't apply to us. We are okay. So I'm gonna choose here keep current format, and I'm gonna click here OK. So I'm gonna just accept the default values. Warning: saving the document. Only the active sheet is going to be saved. That is fine. You'll get a similar message in Microsoft Excel, because here we have 3 sheets in the workbook and only first sheet will be saved in CSV, so that's fine. I created this spreadsheet on my laptop. I'm not creating it on the virtual box, but it doesn't matter. Both are remote computers as far as the database is concerned. As far as that machine is concerned where database is running, both these computers are not visible to the database, so I have to FTP this spreadsheet to a computer that is visible to the database. If you are using the same virtual box to access SAP HANA's database that I'm using, this is from SAP's, and I have shown in another video how you can request your access to this box, then you can use the same method. If you enter the command in your SQL editor, select all from all or star from system.ftp_server. Run this command by clicking on this green button. The result of this command will be one record, and this is the host name of a computer that is visible to the database, and I have a username and password as well, and comments that everybody should be creating their own subfolder. So this is where I will FTP my Excel file. If you are using the same virtual environment, you can follow my method, but if you have your own setup, then you need to make sure that your CSV file is placed on a computer that is visible to your database. So I will go in the start menu and I will enter the CMD command. This will open up this DOS prompt. So I am on the computer on which the spreadsheet was created, and this was my laptop, and here I'm gonna issue the FTP command to connect to this hostname ftp.sapdevcenter.com. We could have done that through the VirtualBox as well, but as I said, it doesn't matter. The file has to be FTP'd, and the username that was given to me, and there is a shared username, and the password. So I'm connected through FTP session to this host computer. Okay, so I'm gonna create a directory here, Hassan Mir SAP. Everybody should be in their own subfolders, and now I'm gonna navigate into this folder, Hassan Mir SAP. So mkdir is the command to create a folder in the FTP session. mkdir for make directory, and cd for change directory is the command. So first I made this directory and then I navigated to that directory. So in that remote computer, I am currently sitting on that subfolder where I need to copy the file to. Now I need to tell this FTP software where the file is residing on my local computer. So lcd is the command that is used for this purpose, lcd for local change directory. So the command is lcd space c:/users/user/document. So this is the path where the file is residing on my local computer. Keep in mind that you could have used any fancy FTP client software, so many available for free as well. I'm using this command line FTP, that's why I have to write all these commands, otherwise it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so now I will push the file over, and put is the command. So the command would be put space file name, that is student_course.csv. The file transfer is successful. Now I'm all set to import the data by issuing a command from the database, and this will import the data from the file into student_course table.